Hello everyone. In this session, we will learn about few topics of Module 2, that is taking notes while reading, reading mathematics and algorithms, reading a data sheet. First topic, taking notes while reading. A researcher reads to write and writes well if the reading skills are good. Taking notes is the bridge between reading and writing a paper. There is a well known saying that the weak writing is better than the best memory. Many researchers take notes on the margins of their copies of paper or even digitally on an article aggregator tools. This is the sketch to show how a researcher make a notes on the or summary of the paper on the margin of the paper, that is called as annotate margin, and as well as there are various online aggregator tools are available to help the taking notes while reading. In each research paper, there are a lot of things to highlight for later use, such as definitions, explanations, concepts, and questions of criticism. Such efforts pay significantly when one has to go back and reread the same content after a long time. A good technical reading should end with a summary of a paper in a few sentences describing the contributions. A thorough reading should bring out whether there are new ideas in the paper or if existing ideas were implemented through experiments, new applications, or novel framework. Therefore, the reading of the any research paper will help you to know whether it consists of new ideas or any new ideas are improved or presented through experiments, and whether any new applications or it is presented in a new format. Obviously, the type of contribution a paper is determined better by reading other papers in the area, so that you can read large number of papers which will help the what it consists paper consists. Therefore, in a research, taking notes while reading is important. Next, second topic is reading mathematics and algorithms. Mathematics is often the foundation of new advances for evaluation and development of engineering research and practice. A engineering researcher generally cannot avoid mathematical derivations or proof as part of research work. It consists of breakdown of complex mathematical expressions into smaller components and understand the meaning of each symbol and how they contribute to overall expression. Clearly understand the problem that the algorithm is designed to solve. Generally, algorithms are often presented using pseudocode. Pseudocode is a nothing but computer language or computer program, but in a understandable format. Then identify key components of the algorithm such as loops, conditions, and recursive calls. It will help to understand this. Reading of mathematics and algorithms are useful. And remember that reading mathematics and algorithm is a skill that improves with the practice. Next is the reading a data sheet. Reading a data sheet is a crucial skill, especially in fields such as electronics engineering and computer science. A data sheet provides comprehensive information about a particular component or a device, detailing in its specification, features, and guidelines. Understand the datasheet structure. It consists of various components like introduction, absolute maximum rating, electrical characteristics, functional description, application, pin configuration, etc. And also identify the key specifications like voltage rating, current rating, frequency response. pinout and pin functions, recommended operating conditions. By paying attention to key sections and specifications, you can extract the necessary information to successfully integrate the component into your projects and application. Reading a data sheet is nothing but reading a manual. Reading a manual. If you understand or if you know how to read a manual, then you can operate the machine easily. For example, in a mobile, the manual will be given or data sheet will be given. Similarly, the manual will help to understand the its component functions and ratings, how much time you have to charge, etc. Therefore, reading of the data sheet is also very crucial. This is the one, specimen sample data sheet of general purpose transistors. Here it will gives you the title, here company name, and here it is a written data sheet. Symbol will be given. This symbol you can have to understand. Then it will give maximum ratings, features, and thermal characteristics, etc. Similarly, one more data sheet is, this is the company name. It is a silicon rectifier diodes. These are the diode symbol. Naming is given, rating is given here, features, mechanical data, and the maximum rating and electrical characteristics has been given. Okay, this is all about the three components of taking notes while reading, so that you can read a large number of papers and to get the more information. Reading mathematics and algorithm, how it will helpful to understand the method foundation of the mathematical fundamentals, and as well as reading the data sheet so that you can use it of use in a better way, in a better way, and as well efficiently you have to read. This is a in a module 2 few topics we have covered. Thank you.